Who can help an autistic child build missing skills?
So even before intervention is early identification. So the people who can identify that a child has autism could be your pediatrician who may have a special interest in developmental issues. It can be a developmental pediatrician whose area of specialization is child development and issues related to this. It can be a pediatric neurologist, or it can be a child psychiatrist. So these are the people who can help you identify whether your child has autism or not. Now, after the identification is done, the next step is to send you to an intervention to help you connect with an intervention team. So the intervention team comprises of specialists like speech therapists, occupational therapists initially. So these are people who will work closely with your child. So the speech therapist, as the name suggests, will help with your child's communication skills, social interaction skills, and play skills. The occupational therapist will help him do well in other areas. So for example, the use of his hands. So many children may be good at using their hands, fixing puzzles, coloring, drawing, etc. Whereas some children might struggle with it. So an occupational therapist can help them with the use of their hands. An occupational therapist can also help with balance issues if a child has those, and also in helping them learn how to do things for themselves, like feeding themselves, toileting, dressing, all of these skills. So this is what intervention looks like in the early years. As children grow older, you may have other members of the intervention team who also pitch in. So there can be a special educator who can help with your child's academic skills. There can be counselors who can work with your child as well as with you if there are issues that you have in dealing with difficulties related to autism. So your intervention team comprises of these. And what will also be necessary is that your developmental pediatrician or your neurologist or psychiatrist also does a periodic evaluation to assess progress, to assess how the child is doing and how you are.
Stay tuned for new parenting tips every Monday. Subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips. Like this video and share it with your parent squad. Comment below topics you would love to see on the Mom and Pop Show.